Hello everyone, welcome you all to my class number 9 of Spoken English and Basic Grammar. In this class, we are going to discuss the seventh part of speech, that is conjunction. What is conjunction and what are the various kinds of conjunctions? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to get the latest videos on time. Let's move and let's discuss what is conjunction. So, what is this word conjunct? Conjunct means to join. So, what is the meaning of conjunction? It is a word which is used to join the two sentences or two words. So, in simple, so it works as a joining word to join the two sentences. It can either join two sentences or also can join two words. Let's see some examples for conjunction. She came to college. See one sentence. Okay, but didn't attend the classes. See another sentence. Okay, didn't attend the classes is another sentence. So there are two sentences here, and this is joined by but. But is a conjunction. Sharan went to see grandmother. See, this is one sentence. He stayed with her. Now, these both sentences are joined by another conjunction, that is and. Sharan went to see grandmother and he stayed with her. Let's say another example. There was heavy rain, no electricity today. See here, two sentences. So this is joined. These two sentences are joined by the word conjunction so. There was heavy rain, so no electricity today. Now let us discuss more about conjunction. Let us discuss various kinds of conjunctions. The first one, coordinating conjunctions. So what is coordinating conjunction? So it is a conjunction which is used to combine two independent statements or clauses. So we have already studied what is independent clauses. So a clause which has a subject and also a verb and object. Examples for coordinating conjunctions: for, and, neither, nor, but, either, or, yet, and so. So let us use all these conjunctions in a sentence. So how to make the sentences using all these conjunctions, especially coordinating conjunctions? Let's see one by one. You have to pay him for the loss he has suffered. See, for is a conjunction which joins two independent statements. Each cinema entertains us and makes us relaxed. Say again, and is joining the two independent sentences or clauses. Then, he neither good in basketball nor good in football. See, neither nor is used in this way in a sentence. He neither good in basketball nor good in football. He is a clever boy, but his behavior is not good. See, two sentences are joined by but. So, this type of conjunctions are called as coordinating conjunctions. Then, either or. You have to either come to college or sit in a library. See, both sentences are joined by either or. The next one, he is not good in studies, yet he is doing good. See, both the sentences are joined by the conjunction called yet. The road was bad, so I didn't go there. See, both sentences are joined by the word conjunction called so. Now let's go to the next one, second one, subordinating conjunctions. So what is subordinating conjunctions? It is a conjunction which is used to combine an independent clause and a dependent clause. We have already studied in class number 1 what is dependent clause and what is independent clause. Okay, so these conjunctions are used to combine one independent clause and another one dependent clause. So these are the subordinating conjunctions which we use in a sentence: if, although, though, even though, after, before, because, as if, unless, until, when, while. So let us use all these conjunctions in a sentence. First one, if you go to Delhi, you can visit many tourist places. See, if you go to Delhi becomes what? Dependent clause. He came to my birthday, although he had exams. So this is an independent clause. This is a dependent clause which is joined by the word although. He refused to work in office, though he goes to office. So though he goes to office is a dependent clause. He refused to work in office is an independent clause. So both are joined by the word though. He kept playing well even though he was tired. Okay, independent clause, dependent clause joined by even though. After the match was over, see, this is independent clause, which is not a complete sentence. What is dependent clause? Dependent clause means which is not complete. Independent clause means they are complete. Okay, they give some meaning. They fought with each other. So this is complete. So this is joined. These both are joined by the word conjunction called after. Before we left home, the relatives arrived. So both independent and dependent are joined by before. I got good marks. Okay, independent because I studied well. So this is dependent clause. My boss gave me work as if I don't have any work. So as if I don't have any work becomes independent dependent clause. You will not get good marks. See, independent clause unless you study. Dependent clause which is joined by word unless. See, please bring the books when you come to my house. When you come to my house becomes incomplete, right? So this is okay joined by the independent clause, that is please bring the books. Please don't use mobile phones while you are working. See, these two sentences are joined by while. So that's all regarding subordinating conjunctions. Now let us go to the next one, correlative conjunctions. So what is correlative conjunctions? So correlative conjunctions are those conjunctions which are used in pairs. Pairs means what? Two. Okay, there will be two sentences, two words. Okay, examples: not only, but also, either or, neither nor, whether or, rather than, if then. Let us come to know how we can use these correlative conjunctions in a sentence. Not only Ranbir, but also Ranveer is from Mumbai. Either pen or pencil can be used to draw a picture. It is neither useful nor can be thrown. I don't have, I don't bother whether you come or don't come. Next one for rather than. I wanted to be an actor rather than a director. If you come early, then we will go to cinema. See, if and then. Okay, in all these sentences, we can see pair is used, not only, either or, neither nor, whether or, rather than, if then. So these conjunctions are called as correlative conjunctions. They are related to each other. So that's all with regard to conjunctions. So there is an activity for you from this class. So you have to do this activity. Very simple. You have to make the sentences of your own using all the conjunctions that we have discussed in this class. Okay, do this activity. Learn to make sentences using conjunctions. So thank you all. Let's meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye.